is myself, Altu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंदजानी.
And of course, Bachchan, आज आप सोचते हैं यार क्या हो गया? Well, Bachchan, there's a good reason for what was happening right now, Bachchan. So माफी चाहते हैं जो भी हमें वेट कर रहे हैं 5 बजे से. हम लोग we have been trying to busy working things to getting back to the pre-COVID situation if possible, Bachchan. Of course, the new normal is being established right now. So hopefully we'll have things going in place soon. इसके बारे में आपको और जानकारी देंगे हम लोग on our show right now, Bachchan. Yes, you know, right? The businesses have actually been starting to operate actually right now. So we had to start seeing how we can get things going and rolling in a radio part of Bachchan. तो उसी में थोड़ी बहुत हमारी दिक्कत हो जाती है लेकिन कुछ करेंगे बच्चा कुछ तो करेंगे आपके साथ हम ऑलवेज रहेंगे 5 से लेके 7 तक हमारा प्रॉमिस है कि आपका रहेगा साथ एंड राइट नाउ बच्चन आपको लेट मी टेल यू आज वी जस्ट थॉट वी शुड डू दिस आज सिंस द बिजनेस आर ओपनिंग राइट नाउ इफ यू नो बच्चन इवन आवर एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस आर ओपनिंग अप आई एम नॉट किडिंग वी ऑलरेडी आफ्टर दे ओपनड अप ऑल थिएटर्स हमने ऑलरेडी 2 फिल्में देख ली एक तो था वो जो देखना नहीं चाहिए था दूसरा भी वाज नॉट सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग
No, what एक जो क्या देखना नहीं चाहिए था कौन सा?
Well, that particular Bombay, whatever thing, right? What is the thing called?
What?
That John Abraham movie, Faltani.
John Abraham movie. Oh, what was that?
See, that's exactly.
Mumbai Saga.
Mumbai Saga. Not a lot of pointers they could improve on. And similarly with 99 songs also. We saw A.R. Rahman songs, movie actually. The movie was nice. The story is supposed to be nice. Songs are nice. But somehow we felt there was a fault somewhere, shorted somewhere. हम लोग बोल देते हैं ना. A.R. sir, I know you listen to us. I really think the screenplay could be much better. And I think everybody, whatever they tried, we saw it in Tamil. And here's the thing, generally क्या होता है कि एक फिल्म को उन लोग generally एक लैंग्वेज बनाते हैं उसको बाद में डब करते हैं.
Correct.
Maybe even Bombay for the matter, right? Bombay initially was shot in Tamil and then dubbed into Hindi. लेकिन ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा उल्टा हो गया बच्चा. They shot the movie in Hindi but dubbed into regional languages.
Yeah, and it kind of doesn't look so nice. You can easily make out that it's one of those. The lip syncing doesn't happen. Although that they've cleverly tried to cover it with like long shots and then
Yeah, but you still can make out, right? That the thing is not proper. What do you call that?
The syncing.
The syncing, and people like us who actually have this, inquisitive mind, we always feel like, kya tha, kuch to locha ho raha hai, we'll feel that way. And trust me, Brajat, we could feel it. But see, it's a good, story-wise, if you look at it, it's a totally different kind of a story. Nahi keh sakte aisa, but because there already is a love story already in place. It's about a struggling artist, right? Jo humne questions pucha tha, well, actually, this question still right in our mind as to whether whether our A.R. Rahman sir chose to deflect the answer because he knew that's exactly what the movie is all about. Whether music can pay your bills.
Right.
And answer तो नहीं है because end तक वो 100 गाना बनाता है लेकिन उसको पैसा नहीं मिलता है. लेकिन everybody gives in afterwards to him. So thing is, I don't know. I'm not going to say anything about the movie. Go watch it. It's interesting to watch the whole process. Actually, you know what, Bandhujan? One thing I noticed about the movie as I was watching it, A.R. Rahman Sir's songs जो है ना, you can make out the whole thing builds to a crescendo. And that way, excellent storytelling. Sir, you have done total justice to music. Music-wise, I love it. But थोड़ा बहुत screenplay में थोड़ा, it could have been better. There always is a chance to improve. That's fine. I'm not saying no. But I don't know, was the hero really good? But sir, I will tell you one thing. Ihan, you... I think it's a very promising artist, but I still feel that I could have, it's still a long way to go.
Yeah.
Still a long way to go. I will not predict anything because of the fact that इसके वजह से दूसरे offers मिलेंगे. I don't know about that. I'll not do comment on that. I definitely would say that, there was no need for the heroine anyways. The heroine was not required. You might say there was required for a catalyst and everything. Poor thing उसको dialogue भी नहीं दिया.
Actually, no, she wouldn't have been able to pull it. I think that was... I thought they were going to do something else with that character.
I was hoping.
Yeah.
Except for a few dance songs where they show three-dimensional whatever, painting or whatever.
Yeah.
That was nice, very interesting and all. But see, what happens, I felt like, that guy talks about it, right? There's a dialogue in the movie which says the guy comes in and says, oh, music technology, you seem to have figured it out, right? This movie is all about just technology, just showing off all the techie, busy things which they can do.
Right.
Yeah, there was no... Well, anyway, I'll tell you one thing, Bachchan, the last song, the climax song, it's a beautiful song. You will know what I'm talking about. And एक dialogue है उसमें, सच्चाई.
क्या? हाँ हाँ हाँ
सच्चाई।
हाँ तेरा गाना अच्छा तो है लेकिन उसमें सच्चाई नहीं है.
हाँ हाँ.
वो कहता है actually you should watch it Banjan. You know what? Hey, also you're supposed to give credit somewhere.
Where
बताओ
I give credit to anybody who
बताओ
wants
क्या?
it.
No, what wants it? I don't want it.
हाँ.
It's like something that happened.
What?
What? Okay, Banjan, this song that it builds up to in a crescendo, which we're going to play for you right now.
Oh, you're playing the song for them?
Yeah, we can play that song for you because we have very little time today, and then we're going to try to see if we can give you, you know, we play a whole bunch of 80s, 90s, 2000, 2010, 2020. But 2020 के गाने को ये बजा रहा है this decade का hardly any songs are being played because they're not really play worthy a lot of times.
Yeah.
But there are some songs that are okay, which kind of like, you know, COVID kind of engulfed because
Yes.
it's gone on OTT release, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to try to do is we're going to play you some songs, Banjan, which are possibly you know, the songs that we'll soon start populating our top 10 songs, and you know that obviously happens only if you guys know
Yeah.
what songs are in the mix, because many of you might not be going out to watch the movie.
Ah, that's true. That's true. Yep, yep.
So that's what we're going to do right now. Haltu Baba,
Yes.
we saw one more movie, right? Which was we saw 3 movies this year.
No, we didn't.
Of course we did.
Impossible.
Of course we did.
In theaters?
Not in theaters.
That's what
One
I'm-
in theater and 2 without on the OTT platform. I think.
No, 2 in the theaters, 1 probably you saw it on the OTT platform.
No man, you also saw it. Whatever.
What is the name of the movie?
Yeah, you keep calling me, no, the big bully.
Ah! So one OTT platform we saw, that was a good movie, man.
That was
That was
movie.
a
Are
good
there songs
movie.
from that movie that we can play?
Well, there could be. I just gotta check it out, Bhaduja, but I'll tell you what.
Let's start with this beautiful song, Manjan. This song is like on my mind, and I'm like listening to it almost all 24/7. I almost this song like has gotten into your system. And let me tell you, this particular song, Manjan, when I heard it, I felt it was like a song that's, oh my god, enchanting, and at the same time it's completely like a song that gets into you, right? And when I said it, if you remember during the interview with AR sir, all he said was, oh wow, you picked that song. Okay, there's nothing more I need to say, because if you watch the movie you'll know the significance about the significance of this particular
so
song.
watch, he's telling you to go watch the movie.
Yes, and he thought, I mean, he completely agreed. I think that's what a creator is, right? Like Mahimaji used to say, when people said, you know, when people used to call on our show and say that, you know, our show is like a companion for them. You know, at a time when you're coming out completely stressed out, and they put a smile on your face. She used to always say this, Banjan, if one person is able to smile, or if you're able to take the stress out of even one person's life who's listening to this radio and is listening to your show, we've achieved what we want to achieve.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm pretty sure Ayarsa felt the same kind of feeling.
That's the case, of course. If it only felt that, I tell him I like the movie.
But it's, you know, I wish somebody else would have told the story, sir. I think the story is a brave attempt, but then the screenplay was where I think really could use some more help. So definitely, here you go, Bhadujan. This is a beautiful song from that movie.
Correct. And Pranabji is saying that one statement for you, Faltwani. Nobody likes a bully, but the big bully was nice.
It is the big bull, Bhadujan. There's no big bully.
That's true.
Big
bull.
Okay, here you go, Bhadujan. This is a lovely song called Oh Ashika. And incidentally, Aldo and myself saw this movie in Tamil.
Yeah. And thanks for somebody actually booking on time. So I can credit for you that, Faltwani. Total credit of the mix-up for you.
Yeah. Here is A.R. Rahman's Tune kya dil diya. In the voice of Shashwat Singh Bhadujan, this is Oh Ashika.
Party है जो सबको सुनानी है, चलने वालों की तो रूह भी जलानी है.
एंड कमरजान मस्त गाना था राइट, यू लाइक द सॉन्ग. और थोड़ा गाना बजेगा बजेगा डोंट वरी पता, लेकिन अभी के लिए आपको बोलते हैं कि वो गाना तो अच्छा था ही. फिल्म का ऑफ कोर्स नाम था 99 songs.
Please, when you're booking, please make sure it's a Hindi version. I booked the wrong one. I booked the
Yeah.
Tamil one.
Well, I'll tell you why.
It would have been okay because I like A.R. Sir's compositions in Tamil too.
See, hey, listen, the flow of the music and the words are perfectly fine, but only thing the sync with the screenplay is what it like. The screen पे जो चल रहा था
The sync बोल रहा है, आलतू बाबा वो किचन वाला sync नहीं बन जाना, वो lip sync बोल रहा है ना तू.
सब लोग ठीक से सोचते नहीं है फातवा. हाँ, the lip sync जो होती है ना, the thing is that actually blends. See, the thing is, I am a person, I'm a big time. I'm not a movie buff. I'm a movie buffoon.
Yeah.
Because I even criticize the movies I watch. So the
Huh.
thing is, I give positive criticism. When you actually see the movie Mise en scène, it should not look nothing should be separate from the storytelling.
क्या सत्यजीत सेन क्या बोला तू क्या मुनमुन सेन क्या बोला
Munmun Sen, very smart, very nice, very nice. But the mise en scène जो होती है ना, not the not
Mise en scène.
mise en scène होती है ना, that is actually everything, every element on the screen. जो भी आप दिखते रहे सब कुछ आपको जो भी, it should all be so well woven, nothing should stand out.
Right.
Unfortunately, whatever reason, Hindi वाले इसमें probably because of the fact that even the subtitles में बहुत गलती था, which I noticed, which I want to tell give out people honest feedback always. I love the movie as in it would have been nice probably if you saw it in Tamil,
Yeah.
because Tamil में probably
We saw it in Tamil.
Oh,
I
sorry,
think we would
Hindi.
have liked it if we had seen it in Hindi because
Yeah.
the original, I think, the filming जो हुआ है,
Yeah.
सब हिंदी वाले dialogues के साथ हुआ है.
Correct.
And तमिल में इतना पंच नहीं था जितना मतलब अगर हम लोग हिंदी में शायद देखते हमें पसंद आ जाता.
Yeah, and you would
Maybe
not.
we should give it another shot. Why
We should
not?
probably give it a shot because when it's shot in Shillong, I would be very doubtful if people start speaking Tamil in Shillong.
Exactly.
That's the only thing which I had an issue with.
Yeah, but you know what, Baba, Shillong is truly the music capital.
Well,
of
those
Bangalore.
actors have done wonderful, by the
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
What great acting from all the actors, by the way.
Mayan
And it-
Chang, right? That guy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He's pretty. The friend who plays.
Yeah.
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 So
But there's some good songs, good numbers, dancing numbers, jazz items must है, and you can take a look for sure and enjoy it, right? लेकिन हमने Big Bull की बात की तो Big Bull का गाना बनता है फालतू नहीं?
हाँ,
Just
Big Bull
to-
का गाना सुनिएगा बंदजान. This is another new song and another new movie, but
And-
of course not so new. The movie came out last.
And guess who's the new maker of this one?
Who?
Ajay Devgan.
Yes, बंदजान.
And of course, इस Big Bull क्या बताऊँ मैं, one very good, very big weights in this particular movie who acted in this movie. And actually actors have done excellent. Storytelling is wonderful. And इसमें screenplay also was nice because you actually feel that though it is jumping from one time to another time,
Correct.
right? It actually is like splits, giving you a storytelling, right?
Right.
Yeah, Leanne Dickuz not required, but anyways, what was that? She was there, but anyways, it was nice, very well told.
Yeah.
It is about the life story, or it's actually based on one of the great scamsters of all time of Indian cinema, who people call a scamster, but the person
Harshad Mehta.
who changed the share bazaar for everybody in the 90s, Bandajan, right?
Who gave
Harsh-
access to the common man to own shares.
Yeah. Well, he was a person who was instrumental in people writing those laws, which actually are the SEC kind of laws in India,
Yeah.
which was not there before Bandajan. And of course, if you want to watch the movie, watch it. OTT release हो गया है movie. It's called Big Bull. Very well done. I think Abhishek Bachchan's got a hats off to him. He actually has proven that he is a wonderful actor because he puts his 100% into it. very, and I think one of those people who are really, what do you call the people who actually are like me, like, very under, like, yeah, AB also, Abhishek Bachchan, AB Altu Baba, people who are like,
Underperforming.
not underperforming. That's what people think. It's okay, it's fine.
Well, but then,
Most underrated kind of thing. Oh, that's a word. Underrated. When I think about me, I feel that way. Yeah.
you're underrated.
Yeah.
You are overrated.
Hey,
You're
in my
overrated.
terms, Adri, but don't you feel that I'm overrated?
You are overrated.
That's what it is,
big time.
Faltari. That's what
You're
it
big
happens.
time overrated.
See, the
Artu.
thing is, same thing happens.
Thanks to your bandus like this, Pranabji, who will like chadafy you and put you on a platform.
Thanks to
like
people who
somewhere
still have taste, Faltari.
else.
Okay, what else do you have? Tell me now. What else do you
Okay,
have?
we're running out of time. We're heading into the top of the hour. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave you with this song, Mijan, from the movie Talaivi.
That's something I want to watch for sure, Faltari.
Yes, definitely. It's a song called Chali Chali. In Tamil, it's Malai Malai.
Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Malai.
Malai Malai.
Chali.
So सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा मंजन. इशाद कामिल साहब के बोल हैं, and it is sung by music is by G.V. Prakash, and then of course singer is Saindhavi. So सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा. इसी के साथ हम आपको बोलेंगे, हम मिलेंगे आपको कल सुबह right here on Good Morning Bay. तब तक के लिए हमें इजाजत दीजिए. Good night, शबा खैर and a प्यार भरा. Mwah.
What are you going to play next hour?
You want to play the A.R. Rahman interview?
Oh, shoot.
You ended the thing.
No. Oh, sound check, please, Kavita.
चली चली हाँ चली एक नई हवाओं में कभी नहीं देखी जो नई दिशाओं